Hi, today we are going to discuss about credit card with the topics covered under that, meaning features, types of credit card, advantage and disadvantages of credit card. So first of all, we should know what do you mean by credit card. So credit card will be issued to customers from the financial service company or banks like that. So they will be issuing depends upon their income and employment and location. So first one is meaning. A credit card is a thin rectangular piece of plastic or metal issued by a bank or financial service company that allows cardholder to borrow funds with which to pay for goods and services with the merchants that accept cards for payment. So the customers uh, can purchase uh, goods and services by using of credit cards for making a payment. Credit card features. So few points is there for using credit card. So first main thing is EMI payments. So EMI payment is nothing. You can utilize the high end purchase into affordable EMI. So next one is easy approval. So easy approval means the credit card will be uh, given to the customers, but the eligibility criteria depends upon that they will be issuing. So few documents will be availed for from the customers. They once the bank will accept, they will be issued to the credit cards to the customers. And third one is rewards. So these reward points can be earned based on spends and card type. So depends upon their purchase, they will be allocating discounts, gift vouchers, etc. like that. And fourth one is loans during an emergency. So the credit card users can also avail a personal loan also. And next one is the ATM cash withdrawal. It can also used by withdrawing cash from ATMs with a low interest rate. They might be charged or may not. And next one is discounts and offers. So discounts and offers that can be availed on a range of products. So depends upon their few products only they will be availing the discounts. For example, accessories, electronics and clothings. So next one is types of credit cards in India. So there are many types of credit cards will be availed in India. The first one is basic credit cards. So basic credit card is nothing. It have a credit limit. So it depends upon their customer income. They will be availing the credit card. And second one is no annual fee credit card. So in this credit card, the individual at the entry level of credit card usage are those who make limited use of the card. So no annual fee. So no annual fee means no GST, no other expenses will be involved in the credit cards. And third one is balance transfer credit card. So balance transfer credit card means the outstanding balance of the current card will be transferred to the another card with a low interest rate. And fourth one is reward credit cards. So reward means they will be getting points like we going to purchase in a grocery shop, like they will be giving points like that. So in this reward credit cards, such online bill payments, so like that the customers will get. And next one is travel credit card. So travel credit card is nothing, offer and benefits us only in travel insurance, global acceptance and favorable currency conversation rates and more. And next one is shopping credit cards. So both online and offline shops you can get rewards for every purchase. And next one is the entertainment. So entertainment credit cards will be utilized for we can spend only for a ticket purchase, and concern ticket purchase, amusement park, like that. And next one is lifestyle credit card. So lifestyle means expenses like premier screenings, nightlife, fashion shows, etc. So these are the types of credit cards in India. And next one is advantages of using credit card. So the very first advantage is shop on credit, and second one, freedom from cash, access to cash, books, rewards, offers, accepted mode of payment worldwide, that is globally. And next one is emergency payments and credit score. So these are the basic advantages you can get from the credit card. And last slide is disadvantages of credit card. So pay high rate of interest, so that is the basic disadvantage of using credit card. So we can pay a lot of interest. Next one is credit damage and credit card fraudulent activities will come by using of credit card. And next one is cash advance fees and rates. So fees and rates means annual fees or expenses or GST, like that, and same annual fees also. So and last one is overspending. So these are the drawbacks which we have of using of credit card. Thank you.